If you're into crypto, you've probably had to use a cryptocurrency exchange. But a lot of people do not know that what crypto exchange you use can drastically change your experience, and moreover, that whatever tier you've got on that exchange, and what exactly that means we'll talk about in a second, can also greatly change your entire experience, with an example being the VIP tiers over on Bybit. So Bybit is one of the crypto exchanges I've used for a long time, but I've noticed that many people do not understand the benefits that it can have to either trade a lot or deposit a lot on a platform like this. I mean, I've always got a link down below, and it always says there's certain deposit bonuses tied to the exchange, which are all true, but the higher tier you get, the better your benefits in terms of fees, but there's quite a lot of other details you might have not known about. So today, I'll quickly just address them so you're aware. So they've got a little page that just basically explains all you need to know about becoming a Bybit VIP. And to start off, you basically get lower fees. So here it explains, take your fees as low as 0.03% when you trade. And it just basically says how much off you can get on the different forms of trading for just, again, being inside of the VIP program. Or if you use the link down below, it'll basically show up like this with all the different benefits from being a Supreme VIP to just being a non-VIP. Here you can see what exactly it is you need to do to get there and what the different benefits could be. Anyway, so here it starts off with the exact requirements, then it explains to you the exact fees in that structure and the interest rates that you've got, which all, I wouldn't say drastically change, but still can make a pretty big impact. And I mean, there's all these different sectors as well that things could change for example, OTC trading, zero transaction fees, instant settlement, large trades of up to $10 million at competitive rates. And again, this is not for everybody. It's mostly for people who are trying to trade a lot, get themselves better fee structures, and care about these sort of things. It's just, again, you always compare different platforms. And in this case here, if you are trading a lot and these fees do bother you, you can always send me a little message over on Twitter, for example. I might be able to get you an even higher tier to even lower your fees more. And I always say, if you're trading anyway, might as well get yourself a better deal. Anyway, just let me know if that's something you are needing, I guess. Anyway, you can also just go ahead and press explore more on any one of these features. For example, you have yourself better card privileges, you get an additional cash back, you get some other benefits like a couple of things waived, like in this case here, Telegram, X, Netflix, all the Spotify, all those different things you get for free. And I mean, I don't really care about paying the money for it, but on the opposite side, free is free, right? Just getting it for free. It's just additional nice things. But there's a ton more. You could just quickly scroll through for yourself to see some of my friends, for example, get invited to dinners. You can get yourself free F1 tickets. Sometimes it's a raffle of sorts, or it depends on how high a VIP tier you are. There's different VIP meetups. Very often they've been in Dubai, but there was also one a little while back in Athens, Greece. I guess this is the Europe one. Yes, Athens, and here in Bali. Yeah, you can see that's also a video over on the left. But there's also many other benefits. I went back to the older page over on Bybit with all the details. Like, for example, better access to customer support, VIP-only campaigns, some nice gifts. You get a personal ambassador, some little person you can text if you've got an issue of sorts. VIP-only campaigns. Every time you level up on the VIP skill, you also get a little gift of sorts. Could be a couple $100, for example, you get for free. Higher limits for APIs and for withdrawals, up to 200K a day, for example. I thought that was way higher. Yeah, here it shows 12 million actually, so I don't know exactly what that's all about. But this is more a matter of just whatever you need. I always recommend to just talk with them, because maybe you are very much interested in the different wealth management tools, right? Or maybe you are very much interested only in the OTC trading, or you really just like it for the card, or you really want these better deposit fees or something of those sorts. You can see right there. I always say it like this: if you're trading anyway, these can just be very nice additional benefits. And again, the problem is that many people do not know they exist, and they might just be wasting opportunities by, I guess, just not looking further. Anyway, there's multiple exchanges that have got some like this, but Bybit, in my opinion, has one of the best structures and some of the most competitive rates / benefits, I'm gonna just call it. We had a pretty interesting campaign a while back over on Bybit, but what I noticed is that a lot of our team, that trading team back then, is also in the higher tiers of VIP, which just basically means they've got better fees, but also trade significantly. And in that sense, just get themselves a better deal by being in the program. Anyway, a link for it will be down below if this is something you're interested in. It won't be for everybody, but I just wanted to quickly put a video video out there for the people that it is for and that have never heard about something like this. So again, if you're trading anyway, make sure you check out the link down below to Bybit, specifically to the VIP platform, because, well, you can't miss anything by just checking it out. So what I always say about this. And if you're wondering about these events, you can go ahead and check it out. A lot of my friends went to them. And if you're wondering how to sign up, you can either use the link down below, send me a message, or you can just trade or have more money on the account and you'll automatically, just like how my account is VIP something, it'll just happen automatically. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Make sure you press that like button if you enjoyed it and check out the links down below to Bybit.